welcome to Scribble Practice. Today I'm just going to draw some leaves over and over, and I invite you to join me. Just grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, make marks with, and draw some leaves. They can be whatever shape leaves you like. They can be realistic or not. You can color them in, you could make designs on them, you can leave them blank like that. Just over and over some leaves. You could move your page around as well. Just get different vantage points so the leaves are facing different directions. There's something quite relaxing for me in drawing the little veins of these leaves. I fill in a little bit more, but I'm finding it's looking pretty messy. So I'm dealing with those feelings of messiness. Definitely something that I process. I don't really like it when things look a mess. That's okay, because this is a great place for me to get more comfortable with it. What I do often do is try and fix the mess, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. Isn't that so funny? Okay, I think I'm done the leaves, and I think I'm just gonna do little sort of, maybe like 5 dots or something. I don't know, a few dots to represent little flowers with my leaves. Maybe a little yarrow. Yarrow rainbow type flower. Okay, that's it for me today. I hope you had fun with this activity and let me know about it. Let me know if you had fun or not. If you hated it, let me know that too. And if you feel like continuing creating, check out this activity here. Super fun. A little bit different than this one. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow for another scribble practice. Hope to see you here. Bye.